Welcome to channel. In this video, we will learn how to do private label. Introduction. Private label is a form of branding where products are manufactured by one company and then sold under another company's name. It is a great way for companies to make a profit without having to invest in product research and development. Private labels can bring a unique product to the market and help differentiate a business from its competitors. Additionally, private labels can increase customer loyalty and help build a strong brand identity. This video will explain in detail the steps to launching a successful private label. It will cover topics such as market research, product selection, branding, packaging, and distribution. By following these steps, businesses can ensure that their private label launch is successful and profitable. Step 1. Research the market. The first step in launching a successful private label is to do comprehensive market research. This involves looking at the competition, analyzing customer needs, and understanding the market trends. Companies should also look at their target customer base and determine what type of product they need. Researching the market will also help businesses determine what type of product they should develop and how much it should cost. Step 2. Select a product. Once the market research is complete, businesses should select a product to develop. It is important to select a product that is unique and adds value to the market. Companies should also consider the product's shelf life, packaging, and other aspects. If possible, businesses should also try to source the product from a reliable source and negotiate a good deal. Step 3. Build a brand. Once a product has been selected, businesses should begin to create a brand. This includes developing a name, logo, and other elements that will help the product stand out from the competition. Companies should also create a unique tagline or slogan that customers can easily remember. Additionally, businesses should develop a website and social media presence to promote the product. Step 4. Develop packaging. Packaging is a critical component of private label products. Companies should develop attractive packaging that stands out from the competition. Additionally, businesses should ensure that the packaging is easy to store and transport. This will help to keep the product fresh and appealing. Step 5. Launch the product. Once the product has been developed and packaged, businesses should launch the product to the market. This involves finding the right retail outlets and negotiating deals with them. Additionally, businesses should create marketing campaigns and promotional materials to promote the product. Step 6. Monitor and evaluate. After a product has been launched, businesses should monitor and evaluate the product's performance. This involves tracking sales and customer feedback. Companies should also look at their competitors and make adjustments as needed. Conclusion. Launching a successful private label can be a complicated process. However, by following the steps outlined in this video, businesses can ensure that their launch is successful and profitable. This includes researching the market, selecting a product, building a brand, developing packaging, launching the product, and monitoring and evaluating the product's performance. By following these steps, businesses can create a successful private label and increase their profits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.